Right-click inside your Vault's File Explorer, select New Folder, name it Dashboards, and press Enter. Open that folder, click the New Note button, name it Task Dashboard, and hit Enter again. That single note you just created is your central task dashboard, a single fast-loading homepage that replaces hunting through folders every time you start working. Let me walk you through why this works and how to turn that blank note into your personal command center. A task dashboard in Obsidian isn't a plugin or a fancy template. It's just a smartly organized markdown note that uses headings, checklists, and internal links. Because it's a plain note, you can open it instantly, customize it however you like, and it lives right inside your Vault with zero extra setup. Start by clicking inside the note and typing a heading. Use the hash symbol followed by a space, then Task Dashboard. Press Enter twice to create space. Now add a heading called Today's Tasks with 2 hash marks, # today's tasks. Below that, add a dash and a space for each task you want to track today. This gives you a simple checkable checklist. Remember, markdown checkboxes use a hyphen, space, then brackets with a space inside, miss of error, write report. You can check them off by typing an X between the brackets, miss of error. Next, add a heading for # high priority. This is where you list the 2 or 3 things that absolutely must get done. Don't overload it, the purpose is focus, not a dumping ground. Below that, add # active projects. Here you'll use Obsidian's internal linking. Type double square brackets, then the name of a project note, for example, enclose with double brackets. When you click that link, Obsidian jumps to that project note instantly. This turns your dashboard into a navigation hub, not just a to-do list. Mind # meetings. Link your most recent or upcoming meeting notes the same way. Then # upcoming deadlines. You can list dates manually or link to a note where you track deadlines. # quick notes gives you a blank space to jot down reminders as they pop up throughout the day. # resources is where you link frequently used notes, maybe a style guide, a client brief, or a reference document you open often. Now the 2 most powerful sections, # daily note and # weekly note. If you use Obsidian's built-in daily notes plugin, your daily note is automatically created when you click the calendar icon, but you can also manually link it. Type Appengarn to dating today's date. Obsidian will suggest the correct note. Do the same for your weekly note. This creates a direct bridge between your dashboard and your time-based notes, so you can review yesterday, plan today, and glance ahead at the week. Take a moment to look at the layout. You can rearrange sections by cutting and pasting them. Maybe you want high priority right under the title, so it's the first thing you see. Some people put quick notes near the bottom, or add a section called Waiting On for tasks that depend on someone else. The dashboard is yours. Shape it to match how you actually work. A common mistake is trying to cram everything into one note. Don't copy entire project details into your dashboard. That defeats the purpose. Instead, use brief checklists and link out to the deeper notes. For example, under active projects, write -, men us. Finish header section, and that tiny task lives on the dashboard while the full project details stay in the linked note. This keeps the dashboard fast to load and easy to scan. Update the dashboard daily. Check off completed tasks by typing X in the brackets. Delete sections you no longer use. Add new deadlines as they come up. Before you close Obsidian for the day, spend 30 seconds reviewing it. Add anything you forgot, clear what's done, and adjust priorities for tomorrow. Over time, this habit turns the dashboard from a static list into a living overview of your workload. If you use Obsidian on mobile, that same dashboard note syncs via whatever sync method you use, iCloud, Obsidian Sync, or a third-party tool. So when you're away from your desk, you can open your phone, tap the task dashboard note, and see exactly what needs attention. You can even check off tasks from your phone during a commute or between meetings. As your Vault grows, your dashboard can evolve. Add a section for habit tracking if you like daily routines. Add content schedule if you create videos or write. Add learning goals for courses you're taking. The only rule is that everything on the dashboard should be something you actually check or use daily or weekly. Anything that becomes dead weight, remove it. A clean dashboard is a useful dashboard. Now every time you open Obsidian, open your dashboard first. It becomes your starting point, your overview, and your launchpad. No more digging through folders. No more, where did I put that note? You open one note, and everything you need is a click or a checkbox away. If this system works for you, pin the dashboard to your favorites or even set it as the note that opens when Obsidian starts. You can do that in Settings under Core Plugins, then specify a default note path. You've built a task dashboard that's lightweight, fast, and fully under your control. Save this note, revisit it when your workflow changes, and keep it updated so it always reflects what matters most today.